Hey everybody, so this is Dustin and Terry, your RV specialist. So we're back, and Terry finally got that skylight removed. And what he was commenting on is he said, as you can see, you know, the owners or somebody took the inside down and they went in and they added what looks like that awning tape. That's what it looks like.
It is.
So they used awning tape to kind of repair the cracks in the actual skylight itself. You want to go ahead and flip it around, Terry, so that the guys can see the other side? So as you can see how brittle and cracked that plastic is.
All the corners.
Oh yeah. So all the corners just fatigued and cracked out. You know, keep in mind this stuff is super thin. It's, what would you say, that's thinner than a quarter?
1/16 of an inch.
1/16 of an inch, yeah. And so here's the perimeter, and then you can see too, when I zoom in, you can see right in that area where water was getting past the screws and past the skylight and starting to create black mold. So again, it's really good to make sure that you're, you know, taking the time to seal this correctly. A lot of times what we do when we're replacing the roof is we won't cut the whole opening to where water can just roll right in. We'll actually cut that material, fold it over and staple it in place so it kind of acts like a barrier, so if it did leak that it would not run into the roof itself. So, all right, stay tuned for more. Terry's got to finish getting that perimeter all cleaned up. He's gonna get the new skylight up here and installed, and then I'll see if I can't come back and catch him when he's doing the decor sealing on it. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day. And remember, keep an eye on your skylights, and try not to do any like temporary repairs because it can end up costing you. Thanks so much for watching.